Alright guys, this is the 1600 milliamp. It says I have 98% battery. We're going to try the 1600 milliamp against the OEM 1200s and see what kind of flight time we get. So here we go. I'm going to move this up here so it's not in the way. We're going to take off. Oh, that's not very good. 6 minutes and 14 seconds out of an upgrade battery from a 1200. That was a 1600 milliamp. So the company that is producing these batteries, guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you who this company is here. The company that is producing these crappy batteries is EIE, Eliopton. That is another crap battery. They're all three made by the same manufacturer. So, we're going to have to look and see if EIE, I think it's EIE or ELE, Elioption. I think that's what it is, Elioption. 2500 milliamp at, 27.711. These are not good. The company is not making good batteries. So I have 3 stock ones that I'm fairly certain get 8 minutes of flight time apiece, and one battery that gets 12 minutes. So that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy if you ask me. Well, anyways, that's 3 batteries down, both 2500s and the 1600. The two 2500s get about 3 minutes of flight time, and the 1600 gets just over 6 minutes of flight time. Not very good. All right, guys, toodaloo.